Hey guys, Beth here. So today I am unboxing my ring light my hubby bought me for Christmas. I have a very small filming space. I just have this little desk area and I do have a big mess on the right side of the screen, and it's all like boxes, empty boxes and things like that that I need to put away. But yeah, so he bought me a ring light, and what I'm thinking is I'm gonna be turned around instead of looking towards the window. I'm gonna be facing the door in my bedroom, and I'm gonna have the ring light just, you know, standing up here in this little area and facing me. I'm so sorry, it's just a mess. I need to clean it soon and organize, but I did want to open this up because I have a haul, and a lot of this stuff is what I got for Christmas and the last haul of 2020. I still have to film, so I'm thinking I'll attach it to this video, or I might do it separately depending on how long this takes. So I haven't opened it yet. I'm just really excited too. So this is the, it looks like it's called the Gloue, and it's an 18-inch ring light. It has a lumen of 10,500. It has an LED light source, 120 lens package, no spot, no proboscopic. I can't read. Okay, so three-dimensional heat dissipation design, long service life, 4 light changing modes, Bluetooth included, low resistance dimming switch. It has a metal dimming knob, infrared remote control, dual USB port, reverse folding bracket, thickened anti-collision bag. Okay, so I'm opening it right now because I do want to film that last haul of 2020 video, so it's gonna be really late. But yeah, so I'm opening it up. There's no tape, which is surprising on this box, and this is what it looks like when I opened it up. We have the product perimeters and the information on this little brochure. And let's see, there's some boxes here on the side. You have the remote. There's 2. Then you have a power cord. Then you have the thing that holds your phone, your iPhone, or your camera. Let's see, it has the, oops, I have it upside down. The ball head and the mobile phone clip, which I will be using. I'm still not comfortable using my camera, so, and I need a cord for it. So that Canon Rebel, what is it, a T6 is still there. I've had it for a few years and I haven't used it. So I'm like, Beth, just take out the ring light because it's gonna end up being like the camera and you don't use it, you know. So I am gonna try to use it, try to vamp up my videos a little bit with better lighting in my room. I'm gonna use both hands to get this out so I don't drop it. So it comes in a nice like carrying case that has like a shoulder strap, and then it has 2 little handles right here. Let's see where else. I'm gonna unzip it. And I believe this was $80 on Amazon, 80 something dollars. I'll have it here in the video in a picture, which one it is. And here we go. It has a bag around it. I just hope it works. I'm gonna put it together in a second. I'll try to record that and speed through that. So this is what it looks like out of the bag. It came packaged nicely, no complaints, easy to pull out and get out. Hopefully it works. So yeah, so I'm gonna assemble it, and then I'll come back and I'll talk to you about it. Oh, there was one more stand. The stand was in there too. It was the box on the top part. So let's take that out first before I start assembling it. Ooh. Hold on. So you guys, it's pretty easy. The only thing was this main part down here. It took me a second to figure out that this part popped up, and then they were pointing upwards, and then you had to get them to go down so that way it fits, you know, like this down on the floor. So yeah, so there it is. The only thing is I don't think it has batteries in this remote control, so I'll have to search for some batteries. But in the meantime, I do want to try out the light settings and stuff like that. So I'm going to set you guys back down, and then I'm going to play with the lights and see how those work. Oh, yay, it works. Okay, so it works. I'm so excited. Okay, so it turned on. I'm so excited. There's these little knobs right here, and I think this helps adjust. This is my first ring light, so you guys, some of you guys may have one, but it looks really good. Look how bright that, oh my god, as I do it brighter, it gets really bright. So wow. One more thing I want to point out is like my little tripod, when I put the phone in it, it's kind of like a little spring thing that goes up. On this, you have to like turn it to widen it to put your phone in, and then you have to like tighten it to keep your phone on there. So this actually might last a little longer than the one that I get, you know, from the Dollar Tree, that little tripod that always kind of, either a leg always breaks on these, or like this little, what I'm talking about is this like little mechanism, how it has like a spring. So yeah, so let's try this out. Okay guys, so I'm sitting here now in front of my desk, like I'm saying, I'm gonna try to film this way if I film at night. If it's during the day, I think I'll just continue using the natural lighting if I can't figure out these settings. So here is a little bit brighter, and I think this is as bright as it gets. So I like the way it makes my highlight look, that's for sure. It's the afternoon. It is 4:03, you guys. So I've been wearing this makeup for a while now, so forgive it if it looks a little, you know, I've been sleeping on, I was trying to take a nap earlier on the couch. But yeah, let's play with these lights for a little bit. So here's the like more blue tone. See, I don't know which one is like the natural light. So here's like the bright, like white kind of light. I feel like my forehead looks dark, even though this is, I don't know if I need to like just scale it down. Let's try that. Okay, so I moved it down more so it's like directly like pointing and it's not like tilted down at me. But I still see like darkness up here on my forehead. I don't know, you guys. I thought it would be a lot better than this. I know like the Diva ring light is what a lot of YouTubers get. But yeah, we didn't. We went the more affordable route with this one. So I'll play around with it. We'll see what happens. Yeah, not as exciting as I wished it would have been. But it's so sweet that my husband bought this for me though. I did not ask for it. I did have it in our Amazon cart. I have his login on my app. I don't know why I can't log out and log into my own. So I have to go through Safari to log into my own Amazon account. So sometimes I end up putting stuff in his cart just so I can remember what I want. And then I go back into my cart and then I add it later on to my cart. So it's kind of like, I'm kind of sifting through the things I want. And so he must have seen this on there, like a ring light, and so he purchased me one. He's so sweet. But anyway, that is it for this video. I don't know, you guys. I don't know. I feel like maybe the way it was angled earlier looked a lot better, where it was like up more and tilted down at me. Let's try that one more time. Okay, so I tilted it up again. I have it a little higher, playing with the settings. I don't know, you guys. Let me know which way it looks the best down below in the comments. Just put the timestamp and then I'll try to adjust it back to that. So it looks like that. I don't know, you guys. I don't know. I feel so bad. I probably need box lights, but I don't have space for box lights in here. Guys, I hope you enjoyed this video and I hope it was helpful. If you have any questions, ask me down below and I promise I'll answer them the best I can. I'm just trying to be helpful here, you guys. This was like a inexpensive ring light, so just to share it with you guys. I know a lot of people are getting like, I forgot the one I wanted, or the one I had in my cart was the Lumine, I think, and it was similar to this, I think, but was like maybe $120. I'll have a picture of it here on the screen, but yeah, and then of course everyone would like the Diva light, but that's like $200 and something. So that is it for me today, or else for now. I don't know if this is going on with another video, but yeah, I'll talk to you guys in the next one. Bye.